I'm here with Dan Dwyer from Eastern Rural. How was the sale today, Dan?
Thanks, Tanya. Today, combined agents yarded a total of 6,500 head of cattle, back 160 on last week. The export job remained firm due to southern influence. Your weaner cattle lifted due to quality. Now for your quotes.
Heavy bullocks 360 to 400 cents to average 379, back 11. Feeder steers 380 cents to 476 cents to average 406 cents, up 6 cents. Heavy heifers 310 to 384 to average 358 cents, up 19 cents. Prime cows 300 to 328 to average 316 cents, firm on last week. Medium cows 255 to 294 to average 276, firm on last week. Store cows 175 to 194 to average 182, up 4 cents. Heavy bulls 284 to 352 to average 326, up 15 cents. Light bulls 318 to 340 to average 326, up 26 cents. Yearling feeder steers 374 to 450 to average 409, back 23 cents. Yearling feeder heifers 318 to 374 to average 349, up 7 cents. Weaner steers 360 to 458 to average 441, up 21 cents. Weaner heifers 252 to 360 cents to average 326, up 8 cents.
This has been Dan Dwyer with today's market report. Eastern Rural is selling in 6th position next week, so get your bookings in nice and early. Thank you.